How to change chart candles on TradingView. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change chart candles on TradingView step by step. This is one of the most fundamental skills you need as a trader, and it takes less than 15 seconds to master. Whether you're new to TradingView or you're switching between different chart types, this tutorial covers everything you need to know. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just how to change your candles, but also which candle types work best for different trading styles. Let's get started. Open any chart on TradingView. Now look at the top toolbar on the left side of your screen. You'll see a small icon that looks like a candlestick or bar chart. This is the bar style icon. It's located a few icons to the right of where your symbol name displays. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear showing all available chart types. You'll see options like bars, candles, hollow candles, Heikin Ashi, line, area, and several others. For most traders, you want to click on candles. This is the standard candlestick format that shows you the open, high, low, and close price for each trading period. Click it now. The chart updates instantly. Notice how your previous chart type disappears and candlesticks appear immediately. Each candle now shows you 4 pieces of critical information. The body of the candle shows the relationship between opening and closing prices. Green or white candles mean the price closed higher than it opened. Red or black candles mean the price closed lower than it opened. The thin lines above and below, called wicks, show the highest and lowest prices that were hit during that period. If you want to customize your candle colors, click the gear icon in the top right corner of your chart. This opens chart settings. Click on the symbol tab on the left side. Here you'll see color options for the candle body, border, and wick. You can set different colors for up candles on the left and down candles on the right. Choose colors that help you read the chart quickly. Many professional traders use solid green for bullish candles and solid red for bearish candles. Here's the important step that most beginners skip. Once you've set candlesticks as your chart type, you want to make sure they stay your default. Right-click anywhere on your chart and select Save Chart Layout or Save as Default. This ensures that every time you open a new chart on TradingView going forward, candlesticks will be your automatic chart type. TradingView offers different candle styles you should know about. Standard candles are what we just selected. They show real open, high, low, and close data. Hollow candles display unfilled bodies for sessions that close higher and filled bodies for sessions that close lower. This can be useful for certain trading patterns. Heikin Ashi is a different calculation method that smooths price data and makes trends more visually obvious, but sacrifices price accuracy. Use standard candles for entry timing and stop placement. Use Heikin Ashi only for confirming trend direction. Here's an expert tip that will improve your trading immediately. Set your default candles to filled solid colors in green and red, not hollow candles. During fast-moving markets, you need to read direction instantly. Hollow candles create confusion and slow down your decision-making. Solid filled candles maximize your ability to spot directional bias immediately. Also, make sure your up candle color is distinctly different from your down candle color. The greater the contrast, the faster you'll read your charts during live trading. If you're using TradingView on mobile or tablet, the process is nearly identical. Tap the chart type icon at the bottom of your screen, scroll through the available chart types, tap candles, and then save your layout. The setting syncs automatically between your mobile app and desktop version. You now know how to change your chart to candlesticks in 15 seconds or less. You understand what each part of a candle represents. You know how to customize colors for optimal clarity. And most importantly, you know how to save these settings so they become your default on every chart you open. If this tutorial helped you get comfortable with TradingView, please like this video and subscribe for more beginner-friendly trading guides. Comment below and let me know which candle color combination you prefer for your trading. Thanks for watching and happy trading.